I'm going to tour this apartment.
Actually, it's a self-viewing, so I just need to give you access to get in the building.
The door's just unlocked, so I'm gonna walk in. So nice. Oh my god.
Yeah.
What the bitch? Good morning.
Happy Monday.
It is Monday. I have had a slow start to the day.
We can still say it's Monday morning.
It is Monday morning.
Technically.
It is.
It's 11 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock.
So.
I literally just packed up all my stuff and left because I'm going to tour this apartment. Nick can't come because work, but it's fine. We probably won't go with it anyway, but we don't know.
You gotta get
Who
the
knows?
first one out of the way.
Yeah.
We got a lot on the list, and we're excited.
So I left and then was like, this is not gonna make any sense. It would take me like 30 minutes to get home. I'd basically have to turn around and go to the place. So I was like, I'm just gonna wait, which you suggested earlier, but then I got distracted looking at other apartments online, so.
I taught a virtual class. I'm about to teach another one. Got 2 more classes later tonight. Had a few meetings. Got some more meetings in between there. So that's why I can't go. I'm not sure.
Yeah, obviously, we know. Meanwhile, I'm making this my work because I'm gonna be filming like everything. So I feel really good about doing it. But yeah, so we are kind of just trying to figure out like what places we want. I've been looking so much the past like couple weeks honestly, but it's just gonna be very up in the air in terms of all the features and location and everything. We just determined like, we did pick kind of a location that we feel like we want more than others. So I'm gonna do some hardcore digging there later. Narrowing down especially like seeing what's out there. It's like in this location that we want, it's gonna be probably a little more expensive and a little bit like smaller places, but there's a lot more like benefit to living in this area. So it's kind of, you know, it evens out. Like we can either live a little bit farther and have like a bigger space. So that's why we just have to see a bunch, because we just have to really envision living in there and see like if it fits the needs that we have. So I'm gonna get ready and not look like this just because I wanna give a good impression. But I am gonna look up, I found like this list of all the questions that you should ask when you're touring places. I'll try to link it down below if I can find it. I just wanna feel prepared. I haven't done this in like 4 years because I've lived in my current place for almost 4 years. So feel a little bit out of practice, but at the same time, I feel like I pretty much know what to do. Anyway, we're gonna see. So I'm gonna get ready now and I'm pretty much gonna leave for the viewing. Yeah, it sounds like a funeral, like a viewing of like a, anyway, okay. All right guys, so I have just arrived. I'm actually pretty much wearing the same thing. I just put some makeup on. I'm in the area now, so I'm really excited and I'm like nervous for some reason. I don't know why, I just haven't done this in so long, but we're going to call them right now and tell them we're here. I'm trying to figure out like where the actual building is. 4424, I think I have to cross the street. Oh, it's actually down the street. Oops. Oh well, okay, so I'm gonna call them right now and yeah.
This is Lorraine.
Hello Lorraine, this is Adrienne Finch. If now is still a good time to look, I would love to.
Which building is it?
It's the 44, let me just double check, 4424 I believe.
The only thing is we do have 8 pending applications at this time.
Okay, no worries. I would still love to see it just because I'm right here, but that's good to know. I appreciate that.
Okay, actually it's a self-viewing, so I just need to give you access to get in the building.
Okay, perfect. Let me give you a call in like 2 minutes when I'm right over there then. Okay, I love a good self-guided tour. That's what I'm talking about. But there are 8 pending applications, so yeah, this one. I knew this one would get swiped up. We'll talk about it after. I'm gonna go over now. All right, this is cool. Literally the door's just unlocked, so I'm gonna walk in. Gonna give you guys a little tour. So we come on in, we close the door. Looks like right away there is a closet, very nice. And then here's kind of how it looks when you first walk in. So we've got some cabinets, super nice. No wonder this is getting snatched up. The price is really good for what it is. Here is 1 bedroom. So look at the floors and the vaulted ceilings I'm obsessed with. It gets really good light. That's super nice. Oh my gosh, I love the light. No wonder so many people are applying. Okay, we've got a nice closet. We've got a bathroom. I always think it's weird when the door is like right by there, but I like the way this looks. Everything's nice and new. Definitely like remodeled, very cool. Ooh. Okay, so that's that bedroom. And then you walk back out into the main area. So it's definitely like smaller than it looked online, but the vaulted ceilings make it look so nice and big, which is awesome. There's a fireplace, nice. Oh, I think that might be an AC for the main room. There is a patio, which we definitely want. I mean, we would love to have a patio. When I swing around, this is what it looks like. So, you know, not super spacious, but also like very spacious considering there's a whole nother bedroom. So let's see. Oh, and this bedroom's even bigger. Okay. So same vaulted ceilings throughout. And then this one, oh, this one has, I think, a slightly nicer bathroom. There are 2 mirrored closets right here. Very nice, his and hers. And another bathroom. So both the bathrooms have 1 sink, but they're super nice. It's very well lit. Everything is nice and new. Oh, so nice. Oh my God. This is amazing. Of course, so many people applied. I keep saying that, but I'm just like, man. So here it is. Oh, this is great. I mean, I love the flooring. This bedroom actually doesn't get quite as much light as the other one. There's a big tree right here, but I mean, it's still, look, I'm still very well lit, which is cool. There's even more storage behind here, which is nice. Can always use more storage. And then you walk back out and the kitchen. Let me just make sure I turned off the lights in there. Did I? Yes. Okay, we good. So let me show you. You walk back out, back into living room, and here is the kitchen. Got a nice skylight, making it pretty bright. Nice, looks like pretty new appliances, which is awesome. Love to see it. A nice big sink. This is my favorite type of like sink, faucet, whatever. Dishwasher. There is no washer dryer, but there is one on site, I believe. Very cool, very cool. Everything looks really freshly remodeled. Like, I don't actually think that anybody has lived here yet, so that's pretty cool. Or they have, but not since the remodel. So that's pretty nice. All right, well, it's very obvious why this is so desirable. I'm just gonna take some photos really quick and then, yeah, I'll update you more. I'm gonna call Nick and let him know how it went. It's so funny how like different the outside of a building can be versus the inside. Well, I got the first one out of the way. That's really all that this takeaway is hey, you know what? That place was really cool, really nice, not in the prime location. Like I mentioned, Nick and I kind of decided like, hold on, let me not get hit by a car. Nick and I kind of had originally plotted out like a sort of like chunk of space in LA that we're down to live in. But as we've talked more and more, we kind of decided that the closer that we are to the water, the better. So this is definitely a lot more inland than we, I think, now would like. So I'm gonna refocus my efforts on looking a little bit more towards the water. Obviously, we're not gonna get as good of a price point for what we're getting as we get closer to the water, and that's just how it is in LA. But it's cool to know that there are things like this that exist. There are amazing price points for what you're getting. I mean, a 2-bed, 2-bath for like $2,500 is very nice, especially with those high vaulted ceilings and a fresh remodel. That's like unheard of. There's no AC and there's no washer dryer, which are obviously things we would like, but at the same time, I mean, you can't beat that value. So with stuff like that, it's really gonna come down to location, and I don't think this will be the apartment for us, seeing as it doesn't have the prime location and it is available now. We're not moving for another 2 months. Actually, literally like 2 months from yesterday is when we would want to move into a new place. So I think this will be a no, but I'm so glad I saw it. It is very pretty, and it'll be hard to, I don't know, hold up to that standard. So it, like, if that apartment was in the location that we want, I would be like, oh my God, yes. So anyway, just stopping for a little Chipotle break. Could I get a burrito bowl, please, with white rice and black beans? All right, I just got home. I'm eating my Chipotle bowl. Actually, I'm like inhaling it. I got a chicken and black beans and rice bowl. It's pretty much what I do. I always put hot sauce in it. Now it's time to get to my to-do list because it's 1:30 and I basically have a bunch of work to do before my workout at 5:30. And then I'm getting dinner with my cousin from New York around like after my 5:30 workout. I haven't seen him in so long. He's 18 years old and I feel like he's still like 7. So I'm really excited to see him and his girlfriend. And that'll pretty much be the day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have officially done my work. I didn't finish everything that I needed to do, but I did film some things. I planned out all my content. I'm trying to plan content like for the entire next week. I'm trying to start doing that on Mondays so that I just feel like very prepared to know what content I'm actually filming and editing and uploading that week. Because I feel like I wake up every morning like, what am I like posting today? So I don't like feeling that way. So I kind of scheduled everything out. So then Tuesday's gonna be a big like TikTok filming day, and then basically the rest of the week will be like YouTube stuff. So not that anyone cares, but that's what's happening. I just got ready for my workout. A lot of people ask me about these shorts whenever I post them on Instagram. They're from this brand called Onzi. If I can find a link, I will link them down below. So yeah, we're gonna head to the workout and should be fun. We have a lot of friends in this workout because I was able to bring buddies to base camp this whole month for free. So it'll be a good time. Squad's all here. Squad's all here.
Not all of them yet.
Well, wait, who else is coming?
Alon's coming.
Oh,
And so is somebody named Millie.
so we have Lonnie, we got Haley, we got Kayla. Nick is showing her the way somewhere over there. Anyway, so yeah, gonna do that.
Right? There's a bajillion ways to use your push-ups, my friends. If you want some extra credit, 30 seconds to go. Now, maybe you want to try the one-hand push-up, whatever you want to say.
I'm not filming.
You guys are on the kettlebells, stay right. And if it's 3, make it 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hold.
Focus, focus. Is it focus? Oh yeah, we done, we done, we done. Ah! Who was that? Thin house, thin house, thin house, thin house, thin house, thin house. All right, how was class?
So they did fantastic. It was
I love my friends.
the moppity mop behind the.
So yeah, class was good. I felt very tired and sweaty, but it was good. Anyway, okay, we gotta get, oh, I'm like burping up my Chipotle from earlier. I miss you in base camp.
I missed it too, and you.
Are you
and
happy?
The community. Of
Yeah,
course I'm happy.
it's so good.
I missed everyone.
It's
The
a good time.
squad, It's a cool place. Everyone should check it out.
Everybody should.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. So guys, that concludes my very first for this year of moving, apartment kind of hunting video. I cannot wait to go see more. The rest of the night, I just got dinner with my cousin and forgot to film anything, so here's my outro. But subscribe if you guys want to see the whole process of apartment hunting and just how we figure that out and what we end up choosing and how we decorate it and all the things that are gonna come with moving that I'm so excited to film and show you guys. So subscribe if you're not already, and I will definitely see you guys in my next vlog. Love you so much. Bye bye.